Open the packaging, which contains a large and a small box inside. The small one is the accessories box, while the large one is the main body of the bubble bath machine. First, open the accessories box and check the contents. Which include installation steps for the bubble bath machine. Step 1. Assemble the outlet pipe. Required parts: outlet pipe, anti-electricity wall, filter. Check for a white gasket at the filter interface. Then tighten it by hand. Note, there is also a gasket at the interface of the anti-electricity wall. Then take out the outlet pipe with a red label for connection. There is also a gasket at the interface of the outlet pipe. Step 2. Assemble the inlet pipe. Required parts: inlet pipe, anti-electricity wall. Check the gasket. Confirm and connect it with another anti-electricity wall. Tighten it by hand. Note to check the gasket at the interface of the anti-electricity wall. Step 3. Demonstrate the connection method of the bubble bath machine main body and the pipeline. There are 3 interfaces under the bubble bath machine, namely, the air outlet, white, the water inlet, green, and the outlet, red. Find the green labeled inlet pipe. Check the gasket inside the anti-electricity wall again. Connect it with the green water inlet. Then connect the outlet pipe. Check the gasket inside the anti-electricity wall. Find the corresponding red outlet interface and connect it. Note, all water pipe connections do not require a wrench. Tighten it by hand. The inlet pipe is labeled in green. Connect it with an anti-electricity wall, with a filter head. The outlet pipe is labeled in red. Connect it with an anti-electricity wall and a filter, with a bubble head. Then, connect the air pipe. Both ends of the air pipe can be connected. The connection is designed with a buckle, just twist it by hand to lock it. Step 4. Place the remote control into the waterproof bag and seal it well. Step 5. Open the top water tank of the machine, pour in pure water and tighten it. For the first use or when the water tank is empty. It is recommended to add 500 to 700 milliliters of bottled pure water. With a funnel, pour it into the top injection port of the bubble bath machine. Let it sit for 60 minutes. Step 6. Place the silicone mat at the bottom of the bathtub, and plug the other end of the air pipe into the interface. Tighten it to the right. Then, place the inlet and outlet pipes into the bathtub. After use, click Mode to select the Drain function. Drain the water inside the bubble bath machine to avoid scale formation from long-term stagnation. After the drainage is finished, just turn off the machine. If necessary, dismantle the machine. Make sure to first drain the water from the machine's water tank. First pull down the piston, then hold the tension ring. Then pull out the piston, wait for the water in the tank to drain, and then plug the piston tightly.